most diverse place on the globe. It's time for us to come together.
And the first thing to have this voice talking about the needs of our community. It is
and she loved to travel the world and to help others.
For creating this group and the thinking behind it.
We must ensure that we have a plan of intervention and prevention. Intervention is what we must do now. My deployment of law enforcement officers matched with mental health professionals to identify those who are in need, and give them the services immediately.
And we stand against hate, and we stand as one. This is the only way that we will resolve this, to show to those that we are one, and we will not be divided. Yes, AAPI lives matter, and AAPI voices must be heard.
Mourn, give them the privacy that they deserve, and I ask all of them.
There's a place from her new musical,
I know that people are really scared. People in the Asian American community and many New Yorkers.
We've come today to declare that Michelle lives. We come today to declare that in the face of hate, we bring hope. We've come to declare today that in the face of violence, we lift up voices. And today that New York City rose from the ashes of violence.
I was born here, born in Chinatown, and have ridden the subway since I was 10 years old. And our greatest fear as a strap hanger is being pushed onto the tracks. It lingers in the back of our brains. And to hear that happen to a member of our community, a member of our city, we are heartbroken. That Michelle studied public policy, that she cared community, one that makes up over 10% of this.
Routine comes and goes like spring and fall.
We stand with the AAPI.